How to connect your email to monday.com. Now, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. Well, it is not that hard, so just follow me and we'll get right through everything. So over here, I have a contact list, and let's say I want to connect my email to monday.com in order to send emails to these contacts. Now, what I want to do is first of all integrate email to monday.com. So if I now click on this contact and then click on open, over here I have an overview and I want to make sure to add a widget. I want to scroll down, and here you can see emails and activities. This is where you want to click on, and right from the get-go you can see this. Now first of all, you want to go to the settings, and then here it says email account setup and privacy. That is where I want to click on. Now I have already connected one email address, as you can see. I can add another one, but if you would like to add an email address for the first time, you probably only have one option where it says add account, and then you can select Gmail or Outlook. But keep in mind that these settings affect your entire account, so not this specific board. And that's also the reason why you can add multiple accounts to monday.com, so multiple Gmail accounts. So just go ahead and select either Gmail or Outlook, and once you click on it, this will pop up for you. This might look a little bit different because, like I said, I already have another one. So click on use another account, and then click on connect, and then here you can select a Google account. I already did that, so I'm going to go ahead and go back. Now, once you've connected your email, you want to make sure that you go to the settings and choose a couple of settings first. So here you can choose automatically log all my outgoing emails from Gmail and Outlook into emails and activities timeline, or only log the outgoing emails into email and activities that are BCC'd to the address below. So this is what I really recommend doing, but it is up to you. Now you can also set up automations, which is cool. You can even add a signature. You can remove the email branding from your email. So remove monday.com branding from your emails, which is pretty nice. I just recommend doing that for everyone. Then you can also never log specific email addresses, which is also pretty nice. And then if you go back and then select a contact where you would like to send an email to, for example, this one, click on open, and then simply click on new email. And you can already see that that email address is straight up selected. Now over here, you can select which email address you would like to send it from. And you can also, you also don't need to add the BCC because you're already sending it from monday.com, which means you don't have to add that specific monday.com BCC. Instead of, you can just do this, and send the email. But one last option is that you can also create your own templates, which is pretty cool. So keep that in mind as well if you would like to use that. Then click on send. And we have now sent the email to this email address, which is pretty cool. So that's exactly how it works. Now, this is sent to that email address. So if I were to go to this person, then this email will not show up here because this is, of course, a different email address. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.